Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are asked to prove that the right hand side equals to the left hand side. And I'm going to take the left hand side because it is the most complex side. Yeah? On top, I know that I have to change the cos 2x. And the cos 2x has three possible changes. But because I'm seeing a cos squared and a sine squared, I'll change it to the one that has a cos squared and a sine squared. So I'll say cos 2x is the same as cos squared x minus sine squared x. Is there on your formula sheet? Then we have plus cos squared x plus 3 sine squared x. All over. At the bottom, if you check, we have a 2 and minus 2 sine squared x. I can take out a common factor of 2. So let's factorize that. It's breaking. Let's see why. Okay, that's fine. So we're left with 1 minus sine squared x. Okay. Then, ladies and gents, on top, cos squared plus cos squared will give us 2 cos squared x. Ne? And then the negative sine squared and 3 sine squared will give us plus 2 sine squared x. All over 2 into, remember, 1 minus sine squared x is cos squared x. 1 minus sine squared x is cos squared x. So here I'm going to put cos squared x. And then on top, I can take out a common factor of 2. So I have 2 into cos squared x plus sine squared x. Remember, trigonometry is all about adding like terms, factorizing, LCD. So your algebra must be really good here. Ne? Your algebra must be really good. That's why you must have a copy of my textbook called The Motherboard. Ne? If you haven't purchased, please hit me up on my email, which is in my bio, for a copy. Right. Then let's go on. So if you check it, cos squared x plus sine squared x is 1. So we're going to have, and if you check, guys, this guy and that guy will cancel, right? Those two will cancel. So on top, we are basically left with 1 over cos squared x. And indeed, that is the same as the right hand side. So we're going to say, indeed, this is the same as the right hand side. And this marks the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you found it really helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and get more content like this and to share with classmates, family, and friends. And I want to thank you for helping me grow the Seguros Academy. It comes highly appreciated. Thank you.